One of the caregivers that I work with had a question today, and I thought it might make a good video. So the question was, what's the easiest way to get medical information from the hospital or from the rehab facility? So in today's video, that's what we're going to talk about. But for those of you new to the channel, I want to quickly introduce myself. I'm Tammy Provencal. I'm a dementia certified physical therapist for 20 years. I've realized over the years that our healthcare system is not set up to provide guidance or resources for caregivers. So I started this channel to be a resource for caregivers who are caring for their aging parents. There are actually laws that guide facilities like hospitals, short-term, long-term care facilities on a time frame when patients request medical records. In the United States, HIPAA sets those guidelines. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. And basically what it says is that a facility has to respond within 30 days of receiving a request for medical documents. And I would recommend putting this request in writing so that you have proof of the date that you asked for it. The weird part is that a facility can delay it as long as they notify you of the reason they're delaying it and give you a date that you can expect to get them. The thing to remember is that each state might have slightly different rules. So at the end of the video, we'll talk about some ways to get access to the information that's specific to your state. The other thing to remember is that they might charge a fee to get your records. If getting the information is taking longer than this, you can reference the HIPAA regulation specifically. So to get the state-specific regulations, you can first start by going to your state health department, and they will have a website, and the website should have sections related to health records and patient rights. And this will give you state-specific regulations, including timeframes, fees, and how to file a complaint if you need to because they're not getting the information to you. The second place you can try is the state's government official website. So look for the official portal or website for your state government. And they'll usually have a search function where you can look up health regulations and patient rights. You can actually try putting in the term Medical Records Access Law along with your state's name. And the third place you can look for regulations regarding obtaining medical records is through legal resources. There's actually a couple that I think are pretty helpful. One's called the Legal Information Institute, and the other one's called Find Law. And these places will give like summaries of the state laws that will include medical records in healthcare. Hopefully this video was helpful. Remember that understanding the rights that our parents and we have is really empowering and will help to cut down on some of the time we spent on trying to maneuver within this healthcare system. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. In the comment section below, include any strategies that you've come up with to make obtaining healthcare information easier. Thanks for watching.